Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on a Chromebook. First, confirm your Chromebook supports Android applications through the Google Play Store. Most modern Chromebooks do, but it's always good to double-check your device's compatibility. Next, ensure you have a reliable internet connection, as Roblox requires constant online access. This guide will make getting started super easy for everyone, so let's dive in. Once you've confirmed compatibility, open the Google Play Store on your Chromebook. You'll find it among your other applications. Use the search bar at the top to type Roblox and then select the official application from the search results. Simply tap the Install button and the app will begin downloading and installing itself onto your Chromebook. This process usually takes just a few minutes. After installation, find the Roblox icon in your Chromebook's app launcher. It looks just like the Roblox logo. Tap it to launch the application. You'll then be prompted to log in with your existing Roblox account or create a brand new one if you're new to the platform. Once logged in, you can explore and enjoy countless games available within the Roblox universe. To ensure the best Roblox experience, try closing other apps running in the background to free up system resources. If you experience lag, consider lowering the in-game graphics settings. Keeping your Chromebook's operating system updated can also improve performance. Remember, a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection is crucial for seamless gameplay. Enjoy your adventures in Roblox.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.